The first question, which of the following GOI offices/authority has/have recently, in June 23, partnered with the Department of Justice, DOJ, for mainstreaming legal aid to the marginalized communities through the system of telelaw? Options are A. National Legal Services Authority, B. Common Services Centers, CSC, E-Governance Service India Limited, C. Center for Development of Telematics, D. Both 1 and 2, E. Both 1 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Both 1 and 2. Next question, in which state, Union Minister of Defense, Rajnath Singh inaugurated the Integrated Simulator Complex, ISC, Dhruv in June 2023? Options are A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra, E. Kerala. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Kerala. Next question, in June 2023, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IREDA, participated in the Intersolar Europe 2023 Inches exhibition held in Dash City. Options are A. Munich, Germany, B. Paris, France, C. Rome, Italy, D. London, United Kingdom, E. The Hague, Netherlands. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Munich, Germany. Next question, which organization/bank has recently, in June 23, approved an additional $150 million loan to support the Resilient Kerala program? Options are A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. International Monetary Fund, D. United Nations Development Program, E. United Nations Environment Program. Time starts now. And the answer is B. World Bank. Next question, in June 2023, Fitch Ratings increased its forecast for India's gross domestic product, GDP, growth to dash for the current fiscal year 2023 to 2024, FY2D. Options are A. 6.0%, B. 6.3%, C. 6.5%, D. 6.8%, E. 6.6%. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 6.3%. Next question, which of the following Indian companies has/have been recently, in June 23, featured on the Time 100 Most Influential Companies of 2023, the Time magazine's annual list under the Pioneer category? Options are A. National Payments Corporation of India, B. Meesho, C. Nykaa, D. Both 1 and 2, E. Both 1 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Both 1 and 2. Next question, name the Union Minister who has recently, in June 23, launched the PM Kisan mobile app with face authentication feature. Options are A. Jitendra Singh, Moss of Science and Technology, B. Narendra Singh Tomar, Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C. Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Minister of Finance, D. Giriraj Singh, Union Minister of Rural Development, E. Narayan Taturane, Union Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Narendra Singh Tomar, Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next question. When was the United Nations Public Service Day 2023 observed across the globe? Options are A. 18th of June 2023, B. 21st of June 2023, C. 23rd of June 2023, D. 22nd of June 2023, E. 19th of June 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is C. 23rd of June 2023. Next question. When was the United Nations UN International Widows Day 2023 observed across the globe? Options are A. 23rd of June 2023, B. 20th of June 2023, C. 22nd of June 2023, D. 19th of June 2023, E. 21st of June 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is A. 23rd of June 2023. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, signed an MoU with the Tamil Nadu State Rural Livelihood Mission, TNSRLM, to promote the growth of self-help groups, SHGs. Options are A. Central Bank of India, B. Indian Overseas Bank, C. Bank of India, D. State Bank of India, E. Bank of Baroda. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Indian Overseas Bank. Next question. Which of the following autonomous bodies/attached offices of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, MWCD, has been discontinued in June 2023? Options are A. Central Social Welfare Board, B. Food and Nutrition Board, C. Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, D. Both 1 and 3, E. All 1, 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is E. All 1, 2 and 3. Next question. Indian Railways has recently, in June 23, announced a plan to introduce India's first hydrogen train, expected to start operating from Dash district by March 2024. Options are A. Sindh, Haryana, B. Amravati, Maharashtra, C. Jamnagar, Gujarat, D. Balangir, Odisha, E. Bardwan, West Bengal. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Sindh, Haryana. Next question. According to the Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2023, GSER 2023, released by Startup Genome in June 2023, Bengaluru, Karnataka startup ecosystem positioned in the Dash rank globally. Options are while Dash remained at the top ecosystem in the GSER 2023. A. 18th, London, United Kingdom, B. 16th, Silicon Valley, United States, C. 20th, London, United Kingdom, D. 18th, Tel Aviv, Israel, E. 20th, Silicon Valley, United States. Time starts now. And the answer is E. 20th, Silicon Valley, United States. Next question. Name the close-ended life insurance plan that has recently, in June 23, launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, to offer a combination of protection and savings. Options are A. Jeevan Azad, B. Jeevan Anand, C. Dhan Sanchay, D. Dhan Vriddhi, E. Bima Jyoti. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Dhan Vriddhi. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, partnered with the Manipal Technologies Limited, MTL, to offer customized banking products. Options are A. Canara Bank, B. Bank of Maharashtra, C. Indian Bank, D. Bank of Baroda, E. Bank of India. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Indian Bank.